What's up, you guys? So Philip's here, and today we're going to be completing sort of phase 1 for the exterior mods on the car. We're going to be putting on the new wing, side splitters, and we're going to do an oil change. So, sun's going to go down, and we'll get into this.
4-piece LTW rep wing, so it's these two.
It's the authentic rep.
Authentic rep with the risers, all painted to match. So I'll be lining this up.
And then these are the side splitters. They're just ABS plastic. Just gonna mount up to the side skirts. Just drill them in. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. Alright, so we're gonna line it up and mark it with the masking tape, and then drill in the 4 holes into the trunk.
Here how it looks.
There we go.
Oh shit.
That just pull it out, yeah.
Yeah, see, it's like
went through.
under my lid.
Second hole done, dude. Fucking up your car, dude. Got the 4 first holes drilled. Now we just need to make them bigger to fit the pretty big
You know where
bolt.
that screw went?
The screw? I don't know. Philip's a little bummed because it's super close to the lip, but it doesn't really matter. It's gonna hold it in there.
We're done.
Yeah, it like just fits, like barely. It's like super tight, but it like goes in. Alright, so we hollowed out the holes. You guys can see it's just tight enough now for the screw to go through. What do we need next, Phil?
Double side tape.
Double-sided tape, of course. Double-sided tape what, though?
Axle. Oh, these much.
Do we put it in the right spots? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, oh, yeah, that's good.
Fits?
Yeah. So we didn't fuck up, dude. It with 3M. So I guess the extra security. 3M and the bolts, you know? Alright. Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Shit's more on the edges.
And where's the riser on there? Just got to repeat the process over here. Got both the risers on. Fitment's pretty solid, as you can see. And so now the last piece to the puzzle. Bam. Now you're going so much faster, dude. Look at that. So the last 4 are you need to use an Allen key or Allen wrench, and it screws up from the bottom as so. So these last 4 bolts are kind of a pain in the ass because the location's so weird. It's like tiny and it's an Allen key bolt. So if you just have an Allen key set like this, this is what you're gonna have to do for each 4 of them. Now in hindsight, what we should have done, or what you guys should do if you're gonna do this, is put this together with the risers while it's off the car, so it's in a less precarious position and it's a lot easier. That's what we should have done. It's been like 20 minutes now since we started this, or Philip started this, and it's only kind of halfway down with these sides. So Philip actually ended up taking it off because it's impossible to do the other way. Basically, you have to do it like this. Now, hopefully, tighten up these last little bolts here on the risers and
we're good to go.
bolt it up real quick. And shit, we just all wrapped up on the wing, the 4-piece light wing, weight wing. How much faster is it gonna go now? What do you think, dude? Grab the light, dude.
Too fast.
I'm gonna turn the car around to get the oil change. Oh, your brake light's on. Alright, so just jacking up the car, do a quick little oil change, and then I think we'll probably put the side splitters on while the oil drains, honestly. Quick little oil change, 17 millimeter for the drain on the bottom. So make sure you're ready for that, dude. Is it good?
Give me the pepper.
Alright, so this is where the filter is on these, so it's nice, so you don't have to deal with the mess. Show them that filter. Yeah, so the filter's in there.
So I have to wipe all this out?
Yeah. So now this, it always comes with this kit. So you just replace the rubber seal on that one. And then there's a little rubber guy on the pipe thing that you take out. So it should come with all that. So you replace that and the washers for each. Yeah, so you just pop that on. Oh, put a little new oil on the rubber, the new ring. No, the rubber, the black thing. Yeah.
Grease that bitch up.
Yeah, and then you just put it in there. Cool. But it's just nice because the fucking oil doesn't drip out everywhere, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and they just tighten it back up.
Does this matter where it lines up?
No. Alright, so while we wait for the rest of the oil to drain out, we're gonna start on these
Bad boys.
side splitter things. You want to just like get a little preview action? Let's see.
I wanted to stick it out so it follows the line, right? I should do it.
Oh, you can just do whatever you want.
Yeah. I can.
Looks pretty.
Fuck it.
You guys can really see what we're doing, but we're literally just kind of YOLOing this on there.
How about this right here? First. Right here?
Fuck. I mean, honestly, yeah.
Did you hear
It
yourself?
looks straight, dude.
You're like, honestly.
I mean, you really can't tell, you know? Because it's like, honestly?
Yeah.
Because now that it's going up too, like it's way, you know. This is how you do it. I don't know, dude. Seems. I don't know, dude. I mean,
Dude, we got 3 things done in
just
one.
plastic, bro. Alright, other side. You guys gonna see this precision we're about to do on this side?
Lift it up for me.
Precision, you guys. Yeah. The last screw. And we're done.
Alright, time for oil change.
Dude, that's 3-way, dude. I mean, dude, are you done, dude? Okay, so the last thing we need to do, put in the oil. Philip opted for the 1550 weight. Apparently talked to some guys on IG and they said that's what they use in SoCal, but I mean, there's a lot of oils people using these things. They got one more install. Smoked clear corners. Why are you putting these ones in though, Phil?
The original ones, the OEM clears flew off the freeway.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, we're all finished up. We're gonna go take a little photos, some videos so you guys can actually see what this looks like. Alright, you guys. So that's Phil's car right now. He does have a lip actually that we didn't put on, but that's pretty much it, right, Phil? Pretty much good, right? Happy with it now? Besides interior. Yeah, so as you guys can see, you know, paint is pretty fresh on here now. Around the whole car, everything's exterior-wise pretty clean. Yep. It's gonna wrap it up for us today. You know, just gonna put the lip on here next, and we should be good. Till next time, dude. Peace out.